am the heavy.
Boys, we have a spy!
Oh, merde.
I am stupid! I am Bill Max! I am heavy Buddhist guy. And this is my egg. I weigh 150,000 kilograms in fires.
$200 custom tool cartridges.
10,000 babies for me. It costs $400,000. It costs $4 to fire this weapon. Says for 12,000 years. Oh my God! Who touched? Who touched my sandwich?
I eat your sandwiches.
Now is coward killing time!
Ah, crap.
Some people think they can outsmart me.
Affirmative.
I've yet to meet one that can outsmart Bullet. I've yet to meet one that can outsmart hydrogen. This is bad!
A few moments later.
I come to make an announcement.
Soldier!
He's a bitch-ass motherfucker. He pissed on my fucking wife. That's right. He took his fucking quilly dick out